Hi everyone. So until now you have seen how to draw this Rangoli design on the floor using the same technique I have showed you in my previous video. So just three circles. I've used 3 big plates of steel and then a scale and a pencil or a sketch pen. Yeah. So before I start decorating it with the flowers, I just wanted to show you what are the different kinds of flowers that I have used. Yeah. This is one shade of pink that I have used, but I actually have some 3 to 4 shades of pink that I want to use it for my Rangoli. I'll be showing those colors to you in a minute. Okay. In Kannada, this flower is called buttons flower. I don't know what it is called in English, but the purpose of using this is because its petals are very slim. Yeah, it's not very big. So how small your petals is what defines how good your flower Rangoli is going to be. Yeah. So that is one speciality. So that's the reason why I have used all of these flowers that I have used have got small petals in it. Yeah, and I have used this yellow color. This is Shavantige flower, which we call it in Kannada. Okay, and in the same buttons variety, I have used white and a purple and small red roses. Don't use the big ones because again their petals will be very big. Okay, and I have used this leaves. So these leaves, this is a different variety, okay, but we do find something like this everywhere. There are very big trees wherein the leaves look somewhat similar to this. Just make sure that we are not plucking something which is already spoiled, okay. If it has already become brown, then that will show up in the Rangoli. Just make sure that you pluck only the healthy petals. And the same thing applies to the rose. For the rose, what you need to do is turn it upside down like this and see if there are any petals which are already damaged or it's brown in color. Remove them. And friends, this petal is very special, and after I put the flower Rangoli, you'll be able to appreciate this, why I have used this rose. The reason why it looks so beautiful is that because of this yellow color that it has, okay. The more dual color the petals are, the more beautiful your Rangoli will be. And now coming to this one, so how do you actually pluck the leaves out of it? It is similar to curry leaves. So what do we do for the curry leaves? We just hold on to the middle part of the leaf and pull the leaves like this. Yeah, so it's the same principle that we use for this. Now friends, there has been one small issue that has happened while I was trying to put this flower Rangoli. So even before telling you about all these flowers, I have already put the flower Rangoli. The problem is that I could not make the Rangoli in a bigger size, okay. The issue was the technical issue that I couldn't capture such a big screen on my mobile camera. Because I don't have a mobile stand, so I have put the Rangoli pretty small. So when you put the Rangoli pretty small, like for example you are taking this and you want to make a line, a thin line, it doesn't come out very well, okay. It doesn't, it goes here and there, like at the sides, okay. So this kind of a problem has happened, and that is why though the original drawing looks very good, the Rangoli may not be fitting exactly to that particular shape, okay. So if you want the flower Rangoli to look very beautiful, you have to go for a bigger size. Bigger the size of your Rangoli drawing, the better will be your outcome, okay. And one very important thing is, when you are doing the flower Rangoli, make sure that the edges are very clean. Like for example, if your edges are like this and then you try to put a a leaf and you leave it like this, it doesn't look like a clear line, isn't it? So your finishing should be accurate, and the only way in which you can do it is just by pushing it with your finger. Just hold your finger and keep pushing it like this, okay. So you have to tidy up. So please come with me. Let us decorate our Rangoli design with the flowers.